Good morning, folks. It is January 14th, and boy, 2017. Quite a year already. But today, January 14th, is supposedly the return to flight for the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, and I hope to see that thing launch. I mean, it's going to be a big year for science and space travel. I hope, anyway. Depends on how the government budget goes, but politics aside, it's going to be a great year. So, yeah. Also later today, I'm expected to go down to the beach and probably attend a bonfire down there. And if weather permitting, it'll be great.
Cause of the anomaly. The investigation team concluded the explosion was due to the failure of one of the three composite overwrapped pressure vessels, or COPVs, inside the Falcon 9's second stage liquid oxygen.
Alright, these are my homemade brown sugar cookies. These with a sprinkle of cinnamon on top, and this side covered it with powdered sugar. Oh geez, these are some of the best cookies I've ever made in my life, and I've made quite a bit of cookies over the years, and it tastes like victory. I'll be bringing this down to the beach.
Come on, baby. Come on, get some, Falcon. Get some! Get some! Go, baby, go! Yeehaw! Now we're talking.
Oh man.
Love us. Alright, now throw some more. Throw a bigger handful. Keep doing it. Right, let's move.
Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going.
Right, we will stand back.
Yeah. Almost got it. Almost got it.
Get some of that lighter fluid inside. And then the cardboard's all soaked around the sides.
a straight chihuahua, like a long-haired chihuahua, or a mix?
Good day, folks. Here at Dockweiler Beach and having a good time so far. It's quite dark out here, so use my phone as a light and things. Holy shit! Good times, 2 drinks, and I'm totally hammered already. So here's our little setup. Got a little bonfire there. There goes my cookies. Got drinks, chips, chicken. More drinks. We got hot dogs grilling over there now. Having good times. Okay, so the smoke from the fire is killing me.